Hello there and welcome to our Business Idea Series, a place where we get to explore business ideas you've probably never thought of. In today's episode, we'll be exploring how to make some extra income from Amazon's FBA program. Before we get right to it, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to Business Ideas 365, and click the notification bell for more amazing business ideas. Let's get it on. Without any arguments, Amazon is currently the world's largest e-commerce giant. With tens of millions of products in every category imaginable, chances are that you're purchasing an item or two on Amazon. The interesting thing, however, is that whilst Amazon has grown to become an e-commerce behemoth, the company doesn't actually sell all of the products listed on its site. As a matter of fact, Amazon actually encourages other retailers to sell their products on its platform. And one of these options available to retailers is the Amazon FBA program. So, what does Amazon FBA mean? Amazon FBA simply means Fulfillment by Amazon. Instead of having to deal with the logistics hassles that come with packaging and shipping products to your customers, Amazon takes care of the heavy lifting in its FBA program. All you need to do is ship your products to the nearest Amazon warehouse. This is quite different from Amazon FBM, where orders are fulfilled by the merchant. Coming from someone who is in the business of selling, logistics is one of the biggest hurdles of e-commerce. And with this problem out of the way, you can be certain that selling your products shouldn't be too complicated. On the flip side, as with most businesses, this also requires time, effort, and of course, money to start. Talking about money, I guess you are already asking how much you will need to start selling on Amazon FBA. Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, and how much you need is highly subjective. The key to making a reasonable profit if you intend to buy and resell on Amazon is to buy in bulk. And you need a reasonable amount of money to be able to pull this off. On average, expect to spend anywhere from $2,500 to $10,000 to get things off the ground. Another great thing about the FBA program is that you can still sell your products on Amazon, even if you don't live in the US. There are, however, some limitations during the registration process, depending on the country you are registering from. You will need to go through some extensive verification procedures before you start selling on Amazon. This includes verifying your identity along with some other documentation. In addition to being a resident of one of the approved countries allowed to sell on Amazon, you'll need to have an internationally chargeable credit card. It could be a MasterCard, Visa card, American Express card, JCB card, Discover card, or Diners Club credit card. Registering your account. It should be obvious that you will need to set up an account first before you start selling through FBA. Amazon gives you two options when it comes to setting up an account, personal or professional. The personal account is free and will allow you to sell up to 40 items a month. You will still need to pay for all standard Amazon fees, such as packaging and postage, when you get a sale though. This is the recommended option if you were just starting out and trying to get a hang on how the platform works. Besides, you won't be losing any money if there are no sales. As expected, the professional account comes at a cost. A pro account attracts a monthly fee of $39.99, but allows you to sell more than 40 items a month. If you are already an established seller, then switching to a pro account shouldn't be a problem. Choosing the right products. This is arguably the most important step when it comes to selling on Amazon. Sadly, most sellers miss it at this stage. To be successful as a seller on FBA, you need to do some detailed research and learn how to pick the right products. My assumption here is that you are not trying to sell products that you created yourself. You are simply trying to make some profits from flipping products, that is, buying in bulk at a cheaper price and then retailing for some gain. Most people will tell you to find and target products that are in high demand. There are also tools that claim to save you the stress of doing your own research. Truth be told, I can't vouch for any of them because I have never used them. Besides, these tools are mere data aggregators and not a direct pipeline to Amazon. That's not to say they don't work, though. I've seen a lot of experts recommend Jungle Scout, so you may want to check them out. One of the best ways to search for products that will sell on FBA is to use Amazon's own results. Mining through customer reviews is a timely and cost-efficient way to know what you should sell on Amazon. scrutinize different categories to find the best sellers and try to figure out how you can provide a better offer. When looking through reviews, try to keep the following at the back of your mind. What products are people raving about? What areas did customers complain about? This will help you streamline your product and give you first-hand info at what people love or hate about a certain product. If you're just starting out, it is very important not to rush into an oversaturated niche. Most people will ask you not to enter a niche where most competitors are raking in over 100 reviews. If you feel you can pull it off, then it's worth the try. In addition to reviews, you should check Amazon's best-selling categories for more insights on what to sell. This will give you an insight into how much money a particular product is making, as well as point you in the right direction as you choose your inventory. To round up today's episode, which I hope you've enjoyed, I'd like to state that Amazon FBA is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You may not make any real money for the first 3 to 6 months of starting. Picking the right product and entering a niche that has a high demand is the surest way to dominate this game. This is a real business, and keep in mind that you may have to invest in pay-per-click advertising to get your product selling.